First rates any second now, and any seconds now you've got, it's a flat start for the Nifty, it's a flat start for major indices. That really is immaterial right now. What is material is the Sensex, Nifty are consolidating. The breadth of the market is looking near perfect. Adani group of stocks, they continue to add elevation, and frankly oil marketing companies are looking solid after 2-3 days of solid comeback. But where is Paytm? And what about some of the unsecured lenders? Largely Aditya Birla, 20% down. Just gone to the cleaners. I mean, 20% down for Paytm. Just look at the cut. 20% means that 20% of the market cap has got just eroded for Paytm. And why? Because they've just come out and said the obvious. I'm surprised that market has taken so much of time to react to it, but it is like a someone's come and poured really chilled water in a stock where there was strong momentum. And now what happens? Assumptions and the positioning and everything changes. But what about Aditya Birla Capital? The rub-off effect of that could be visible in L&T Finance. The rub-off effect of that could be visible in Piramal. And there you go. The rub-off effect of companies which have unsecured loan book or large dependence on unsecured loan book, that now clearly seems to be impacting the market per se. But the story really is Paytm, 20% down.
Yeah, it's quite a shocking move actually. 20% lower, and it's slumping even further. 650 is where that stock is. Although I think there should be filters which should be kicking in soon on Paytm. Also want to see that Airtel as well as IDFC First, what both those stocks are up to, because there is speculation that Warburg Pincus is looking to raise about $211 million via block deal on Bharti. So Bharti will just come up for you on your screens, and it's a 3.25% downtick that you're seeing currently on IDFC First, because there too there is speculation that Warburg may be selling 1.3% stake via block, and the floor price has been set at $85-70. BEL, a sizable order from the Indian Army for AMC of radars, 580 crore rupees. That's how sizable the order is for BEL, so look out for that. Ircon is the other stock which is in focus. There's an 8% stake sale that the government is looking via the OFS route. The floor price has been set at 154. Ircon gaps down about almost 8% as we speak right now. Also, crude has managed to see a very steady decline for a 5th consecutive day, and I'm sure that's auguring well for the likes of HP, BP, IOC even further. Solid moves on all these three stocks to start off trade. Maybe not all that great for ONGC and Oil India. Stocks also will just come up for you on your screens next. Besides that, there's not much of news flow. Yeah, sugar is the other one, wherein reports are indicating that the government may be looking at curbing the use for ethanol. So that could be the other stock to look out for. And perhaps, Unilever too, like we flagged off that Macquarie note, wherein Q3 volumes are seen at 2 to 3%, although they maintain that outperform rating on Unilever still. But yeah, it's a bit of a tempered start and very news-specific a start as well, Kunal.
Yeah, I think we needed that break for the indices. Maybe a few days of consolidation would probably be considered to be healthy for the index as such. TCS is something which I think yesterday gave a strong breakout, and in terms of the opening trade, that's a stock which I would look to pick at current levels.
Okay, that's TCS, and Kunal believes that there is merit in buying into some of the large cap IT names. What about you, Naresh? Is it still with financials?
So I go with Maruti. That is the one which is closer to making a breakout into a new all-time high. So this could catch some momentum over the next few sessions. So it would be Maruti for me.